Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the Rocket League not launching on Epic Games Launcher. Let's fix it guys. First step, you just need to open up Epic Games. Click on the three dot icon next to the Rocket League and select Manage. Now you just need to check my video description for this launch option used it in my video. Just to copy it. After copying it, enable the launch option and now paste over here. After pasting it, select the verify files option. After getting verifying, just close up here. The second step, you just need to go to search menu and type check for updates. Click on open it. Select check for updates, and if you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date guys. After getting your up to date, just close up here. The third step, you just need to open up GeForce Experience. If you not have GeForce Experience, then you just need to check my video description for the download link. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date guys. After doing this, go to home and you just need to find the Rocket League and select the details. Select the spanner icon over here and you just need to drag this point to performance. After selecting to performance, select apply for save changes and it will be saved guys. Now you can try to launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. I hope this solution fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.